Now, the purpose of this problem is to make you aware of certain types of techniques people will use to um, allow you to draw false conclusions about certain graphs. Okay, when we look at this graph here, we see that it appears that it looks like men earn almost 2.5 to 3 times as much as women. That's how it appears. But you can't, that's a false conclusion. You notice that in this graph here, it doesn't start at 0. So we can't really be sure how much more men earn than women. Okay, because the scale doesn't start at 0. So does it depict the data fairly? No, it doesn't, because the graph doesn't start at 0. So if this graph doesn't depict the data fairly, which graph does? Okay. Now it's not A, because we have the same type of thing going on here. It doesn't start at 0. And it's not C because it reverses the relationship here. The only one it could be is B. It starts at 0, and it preserves the relationship here of where you see men earning more than women. But it's not as much of a discrepancy as once thought.